the great thing about the World Tour is the ability to talk to program managers and the people that are making the decisions as to what's in SolarWinds and what needs to be added, and get input into that.
Many years, even since the 90s, I was using SolarWinds back in my 20s. I used to work with Don Yance, the founder of SolarWinds, at a company called International Network Services. I also worked there with Craig Tobias, who is Tobias International, so we've been monitoring forever. What you saw actually was a progression, just like the guy mentioned earlier. The SolarWinds developers are always 10 steps ahead of you. They know what you're going to be polling in 6 months, So the modules are ready, everything's ready. So best days are ahead. I think the security's never been better. I'm very happy with it, and I think everybody should be using SolarWinds.